You finally bought your first 3D printer. You assembled it, loaded some filament, started your first print, and then the print failed. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. Almost every maker makes the same mistakes when starting out. The good news is that most printing problems aren't caused by bad hardware. They're caused by small mistakes that are easy to fix. In this video, we'll cover the most common beginner mistakes and show you how to avoid them. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. Mistake number 1, skipping bed leveling. Nothing causes failed prints faster than a poorly leveled bed. Common symptoms: first layer won't stick, nozzle scraping, uneven extrusion, warped prints. Always verify bed leveling before troubleshooting anything else. Mistake number 2, printing too fast immediately. Many beginners see videos of printers running at 300 millimeters per second and immediately try the same settings. Bad idea. Fast printing requires proper tuning, good cooling, high flow hot ends, and input shaping. Start slow and increase speed gradually. Mistake number 3, ignoring first layer problems. The first layer is the foundation of the entire print. If it looks bad, stop the print immediately. Fixing problems early saves filament, time, and frustration. A perfect first layer often means a successful print. Mistake number 4, using wet filament. Many people don't realize filament absorbs moisture from the air. Signs of wet filament: popping sounds, excessive stringing, surface defects, weak layers. Store filament properly and dry it when necessary. Mistake number 5, changing too many settings at once. A print fails, the beginner changes temperature, speed, retraction, flow, cooling, all at the same time. Now nobody knows what actually fixed the problem. Change one setting at a time. Mistake number 6, buying too many upgrades too early. A stock printer can already produce excellent results. Many beginners immediately buy new hot ends, new boards, new extruders, new firmware. Learn the machine first. Upgrade only when you understand the limitations you're solving. Mistake number 7, ignoring printer maintenance. Printers need maintenance. Regular checks should include belt tension, loose screws, pulley set screws, fan operation, nozzle condition. A 5-minute inspection can prevent hours of troubleshooting. Mistake number 8, wrong nozzle height. Being too close causes scraping, elephant's foot, and over-compressed layers. Being too far causes poor adhesion, gaps, and failed prints. Learning proper nozzle height is one of the most valuable skills in 3D printing. Mistake number 9, trusting default profiles blindly. Default slicer profiles are starting points, not magic solutions. Every printer is different. Every filament brand is different. Always be willing to fine-tune settings. Mistake number 10, ignoring cooling settings. Cooling dramatically affects overhangs, bridging, and surface quality. Too much cooling can weaken some materials. Too little cooling can ruin details. Understanding cooling is essential. Mistake number 11, printing large parts without supports. Beginners often assume the printer can print anything. Physics disagrees. Overhangs beyond certain angles require support structures. Use supports when necessary. Removing supports is easier than reprinting failed parts. Mistake number 12, not calibrating the printer. Calibration improves accuracy, strength, and surface finish. Important calibrations include E-steps, flow rate, temperature, retraction. A calibrated printer consistently outperforms an uncalibrated one. Mistake number 13, choosing the wrong filament. PLA isn't ideal for everything. ABS isn't ideal for beginners. PETG isn't perfect for every project. Choose materials based on application requirements. The right filament solves many problems automatically. Mistake number 14, ignoring printer sounds. Printers communicate through sound. Listen for clicking extruders, grinding motors, fan noises, belt rubbing. Strange sounds often appear before visible problems. Mistake number 15, expecting perfect prints immediately. Social media shows perfect prints. Reality looks different. Every experienced maker has failed prints, tangled filament, clogged nozzles, and layer shift. Failure is part of learning. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is improvement. Bonus tip, keep notes. Whenever you find settings that work well, write them down. Record filament brand, temperature, speed, retraction, cooling. Building your own knowledge base speeds up future troubleshooting. Most beginner mistakes are easy to avoid once you know what to look for. Remember, level the bed, watch the first layer, keep filament dry, calibrate carefully, and change one setting at a time. Mastering these basics will improve your print quality more than most upgrades ever will. Every expert started as a beginner. Learn from mistakes, keep printing, and your skills will improve faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!